Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to color your hairs. Most of them are asking me why our hairs are getting orange color. So they don't like orange color. They want maroon or burgundy color. So I thought of sharing this remedy, and by using this remedy, not only it will color your hairs, it will give strength to your hairs and it will give growth to your hairs. All your hair problems also will solve, including coloring. So let's start, guys. As I have told you in my previous videos also, I am using iron kadai for hair packs and for especially for henna, because guys, iron, it was nutrition which put the follicles back into work, but iron is recommended for the overall growth and wellness of hair. It carries oxygen to the roots, so it's a lot of benefits if you are using in iron kadai. So my first ingredient is amla powder. As you all know, guys, amla is phytonutrient, vitamin and mineral present in amla, which helps to increase the scalp circulation and stimulate health growth. Vitamin C of amla produces collagen protein. This helps in stimulating hair growth both for length and also volume wise also. Amla is having the ability of penetrate the scalp, it strengthens the hair at the root. It helps preventing gray hairs. For gray hairs only we are going to use henna here. That ability also is in it. It is having antioxidant. It improves our scalp health also. So binding copper and iron also it's having in amla. So here I have taken 2 teaspoons of amla powder. So here I am going to roast this amla powder until it's getting black color. So it will be roast. Until that, here I am going to make water and tea dust. You need to rotate your spoon. See guys, it is changing the color into black. We want this powder into black color. Guys, the color of the amla is getting changed. See guys, my amla powder is become black, you can see. So let it be cool down, and then here my tea is also getting cool. After that I will tell you what we have to do. See guys, my amla powder has changed to black color. Like this you have to make it, and it's cooled down. It is completely cool. And I have shown you this one I make with water and 1 teaspoon of tea dust. It's also ready. Now in this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of coffee. Here I have taken Nescafe. You can use any of the coffee whichever is available. 1 teaspoon of coffee dust. Mix well. Now I am going to add our main ingredient, which is henna. Here I am using Nupur henna. You can use any of the henna whichever is available, but Nupur is good. In this already it's having lot of ingredients in it. It is having more, and it is said it is 100% pure henna also. Guys, here I have taken henna. As you all know, guys, henna is good for healthy, glossy and voluminous hair. It brings lost health of your hairs and repairs damaged lock also. Henna restores the acidic alkaline balance of the scalp without affecting the natural balance of your hairs. So here I am going to mix all these things well. So don't tell me that ma'am, you have told you are doing this, it will come this color, and all those things. For face pack or for hair pack you should mix well, guys. If you are not mixing all the ingredients properly, you will not get the benefit. So this is the main thing in all home remedies. We have to work for that. then only you will get the result. Until unless we are not working, we will not get the result. So here I had mixed well. Now I am going to add this tea water, but make sure there should be no lumps. See guys, I am adding. Slowly and steadily wins the race. Nothing is hurry burry in this. If you are doing slowly, then only all your works will be done in fun. If you are in hurry burry, everything will be lost. Tea water is over. You can add normal water also. Here I have taken 1 glass of water and 1 teaspoon of tea dust. But make sure everything should be cool. You should not add anything hot. Okay guys. See guys, I had mixed well. See guys, our henna paste is ready, but I am not going to apply it at this itself. No, I am going to keep it this for whole night as it is. I will close it and I will keep it for whole night, and tomorrow morning I will show you how it looks. And I have shown you in my previous videos also how my henna will look, and it will give you perfect color guys. Believe me, I have tried this. I am always using henna only, and I got lot of benefit with this thing, so that I am using only natural ingredients. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Meet you in next video. Bye bye. One more thing I want to tell you, don't keep it this henna in center place. You should spread it like this. See how I am spreading equally like this. You have to spread it round, and then you will get the iron benefit in henna. See guys, how I am spreading it. Can you see? See, I have spread well. Now I am going to close and keep this one. That's it. And then I will show you tomorrow morning how it looks. See guys, our henna color has been changed. You can see it will become totally black. Now what I will do, I have to take it from side well, and then I will mix all those things. Now our henna is ready to apply.